Homesteading. I'm in the pasture today, and we're going to use the Troy-built Sicklebar Mower to cut down some of the weeds. I made a little bit of a quick garden in the pasture, and you know, I didn't till it up as much as I probably should have, and the weeds kind of got out of hand. So we're going to cut down some of the weeds, so then later in the fall we can start plowing again. Maybe we'll make another try at it next year, and we'll plant some more stuff. So let's see how well the Troy-built Sicklebar Mower works. Wow, he died. What's wrong with her now? So there you go, it ran wonderfully until it died. So I don't know if it lost spark or what happened. So we're gonna go take a look at it and see if we can figure out what the problem is. But at least it gave you a good idea of how well it cuts, and it did a decent job. I'll show you. So there you go. It did a really good job in the pasture. It cleaned up the weeds really quickly. I think I really do need to get a Sicklebar mower, either for the Gravely or get one of those, because that thing is awesome. And it did a great job. I don't know why it just died. I'm assuming it sucked up another chunk of dirt in the carb or something. It just died, so I don't know if it just plugged up a jet in the carburetor or what. We'll have to bring it back and take a look. But otherwise, it did a good job. So there you go. That's enough for today, at least cutting in the pasture. You guys have a good one.